In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use dual WhatsApp in one phone without root. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to use two WhatsApp in one phone, you need to open your Play Store, and from the Play Store, you need to download this application called Dual Apps. Once the application is downloaded and installed, click on Open. Now grant all the necessary permissions that are required to run this application. Click on Continue. Now click on this add icon, then select WhatsApp, click on import dual. Once again click on WhatsApp and click on this launch dual option. Click on to grant, click on allow. Now select your language, click on agree and continue. And that's it. After this, all you have to do is to enter your phone number, and then you can use two WhatsApp in one phone. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.